Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIUS Homeschool. I'm Farhana Yasmin, Assistant Teacher of English Morning Shift. Now I'm going to take an English first paper class for class 7. Our today's topic is Assignment 2, which is in the 4th week of assignment. You have to submit it as the 4th week assignment. This is lecture number 5. Okay dear students, let's look at the contents of Assignment 2. This will be based on Unit 3, What are friends for? And Unit 4, People who make a difference. These two units of your English for Today book will be based on this assignment. So assignment with title, okay? Making a list of the people whom you are thankful to. The title of the assignment should be based on this. You can write a list of the people whom I am thankful to as the title of your assignment. Okay, so there were the units that the assignment is based on, then the title, and then see the learning outcomes and content of the assignment. Students will be able to talk about people, places and events and write short compositions after doing this assignment. So this is the learning outcome of this assignment. Let's see the guidelines for writing this assignment. Guidelines means the steps, scopes or cues for writing this assignment. So let's see what you have to do in this assignment. You have to make a list of 6 people whom you are thankful to. So remember the title was a list of the people whom you are thankful to. So you have to make a list of at least 6 people whom you are thankful to. The second point, write their full names. So the people's full names should be included in the assignment. Third point, write their relationship with you. For example, aunt and gardener. So you have to mention the relationship of those people with you. Fourth point, write at least one of their qualities. So you have to mention at least one of their qualities. For example, leadership or kindness. Such qualities have to be mentioned. Number 5, point number 5, write one or more reasons or reasons. If one, then you write reason, and if more reasons, then you write reasons. Write one or more reasons why you are thankful to him or her. While writing more than one, use bullet points or any other indicators. So you have to include reasons for your being thankful to that person, and you have to write the specific points with bullet points, or any other indicator should be fine as well. So you can write about father, mother, teacher, friend, relative or others. You have to mention the following about these people. See, the table is given, serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's the name, and then there's the column for relationship, and then there's the column for quality or qualities, and then there's the column for reason or reasons. If you write more than one reason here, you should make bullet points inside the box. Okay dear students, this was about the assignment. Now let's see how your assignment will be graded, the rating scale, okay, from 0 to 4. So the points you should be careful about when doing the assignment is relationship, quality, reasons and the accuracy, okay, the grammar and spelling of your writing. So if all 6 relationships are mentioned, all 6 qualities are mentioned, the reasons are meaningful and relevant, and if all the sentences is grammatically correct and the spellings are accurate, then you'll get the full marks, okay, all 4 points. Then look, if you don't mention 6 relationships but 4 relationships, or if you mention 4 qualities instead of 6, and the reasons are moderately meaningful and the sentences are not grammatically correct but mostly correct, then you'll get 3 points. Then if it is not better than that, if the condition of your writing is worse than that, like you mentioned 2 relationships, 2 qualities and few reasons and many mistakes with grammar, then you get rated on 2 point. And then if you mention only 1 relationship and 1 quality and 1 reason and with many mistakes in grammar, you'll get 1 point. And if you don't do it properly, okay, if you don't mention any relationship properly, then you'll get 0 points. So please do it carefully, mention all the 6 relationships and mention all the quality, reasons and try to make your writing accurate, okay? Try to make it accurate in grammar and spelling to get a good grade in your assignment, okay? So here is the marks range for your assignment. Let's see. If the assignment gets 8 to 10, that's excellent. If it gets 6 to 7.9, that's good. If the grade is from 4 to 5.9, that's average, and if you get below 4, that's need improvement. So try not to get average or need improvement. I hope that all of you will get excellent or good, okay? Try to get excellent, try to make it proper without any mistakes. Okay, dear students, please do the assignment carefully, maintaining all the rules and submit it in due time. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.